morning everyone.
Good morning.
I'm delighted to welcome you all here in Oriflame. I'm also thankful that you took out your time to know more about Oriflame, to know what Oriflame has in store for you, to know what Oriflame offers you. So before starting, let me just introduce myself. My name is Roma. I am a proud director with Oriflame. I have completed one beautiful year with Oriflame. Also, I have taken 50,000 of cash award. I am earning approximately 40 to 50,000 per month. Also, I have fulfilled many of my beautiful dreams, like I have bought a new laptop for my son. I have gifted a mobile phone to my husband. So before starting and getting into Oriflame, let me just ask something about you. So let us know your name and what you actually do. So can we start with you?
Hi, I'm Geeta and I'm a simple housewife.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Dev Dulal and I'm currently looking for a job.
Hi, I'm Sanchita and I'm a student.
Hi, my name is Raj and I'm a sales executive.
Perfect. It's pleasure having you all out here, and I'm sure you are at the right place, right platform, because Oriflame has a lot many things stored for you. So people start Oriflame business with so many reasons. Some want to earn money, some want an extra income or a work from home opportunity. Some just want amazing product at an amazing discount. Some are looking for financial independence. Some want to travel the whole world, or some just want to spend more time with their friends or family. So what are your dreams? What are you looking for? And what do you want with Oriflame? So can we start with you, Geeta? What are your dreams?
Actually, I wanted to work from home in my flexible hours so that I can take care of my family.
Wonderful.
As I told you, I'm currently looking for a job. I also want to be my own boss if I get an opportunity like that.
So I want to make an identity for myself. I wanted to be famous.
So I wish to travel across all the globe. That's one of my wish.
People say that our life is the result of the willingness to realize our dreams, and I'm proud that I'm associated with Oriflame, wherein I get so many opportunities to fulfill my dreams. So let me just tell you and get you a brief about what Oriflame is all about. Oriflame began with a dream to provide an opportunity wherein people change their life. People fulfill their dreams. Today, the Dream Empowering Company has completed 50 beautiful years. That means we are celebrating our 50th anniversary with Oriflame. Oriflame was started by two brothers, Robert and Jonas of Yorknick. It was their dream to start their own business. They were young, they were enthusiastic, and most importantly, they had their own dreams. Today, Oriflame is a global partner and the official cosmetic of women's professional tennis. Oriflame is a part of thriving direct selling industry. I'll let you know what direct selling is all about. Direct selling means Oriflame products can be taken from independent consultants or individual leaders. It cannot be bought or purchased from retail stores. For consultants, we have lot many things in store, like they can purchase and get high quality products. They get also many extra benefit, and even they can be boss of their own. As you said, you want to become a boss of your own. So this is a massive and growing industry. We have lot many scope in coming future. So Oriflame transforms your life in three beautiful and different ways. It helps you look great, it helps you earn a lot of money, also it helps you have so much fun with Oriflame. So I'm sure we all sitting out here wants all these three things in our life. So let me just tell you how we can look great with Oriflame. Oriflame provides a wide range of beauty and cosmetic products with which you can look great and which adds to your confidence. Oriflame products are very natural. We give you best of both worlds, which means best of nature, best of science, and also best of trends. Oriflame products. There are more than 160 scientists working in research and development in Sweden, and then you come across one single product. So you see, we provide you best of quality, and the action speaks louder than word, and that is why we see the effects and the results are more visible when you use the Oriflame products. So beauty is not only about color cosmetic, beauty is the inner and outer beauty. Beauty is the confidence that you carry on. Beauty is what adds to your personality and makes you look great. Oriflame beauty products are created in Sweden. Our commitment to innovation, safety and high quality products are all set to provide you the best of offers that we give it to you. So I'll tell you and get you know about one of my favorite products from such a wide range and wide variety. So I would like you to try one of my favorite product, Peach Me Very Me Glow. Also, I have this perfume for men's range, and this is very good and definitely adds to your personality and gives you the confidence. So how was it? Did you like it?
Yeah, it's amazing.
So once you start using the product, definitely some product will become your favorite, which you will want to promote and sell. So now I have talked about how to look great with Oriflame. Let me tell you how to earn income and extra income with Oriflame. I'm sure we all want some extra income. We all want to earn money, and with Oriflame, we give you ample opportunities with which you can earn so much and so many beautiful dreams with Oriflame. So there are 3 ways by which you can earn income and money with Oriflame. First one is, as a consultant, when you join Oriflame, you get products at 20% discount. That means you save some amount of money at every product. Also, when you sell that product at catalog price to people out there, then you save 25%, which means you again earn some extra income with the company. So how many of us believe in recommending products or have ever recommended some kind of music or some kind of movie?
I have.
Yeah, we actually do, right? So in Oriflame, when we recommend some things to our friends, our family or some other people, we get an extra income, an opportunity where we can earn so many beautiful things with the company. So I'll tell you an example. If we have 5 friends and we help them join the company, we share opportunity with them, and those 5 people also make friends and help join 5 other people. In total, we have 31 consultants, right? And if the 31 people place their 100 bonus point order, then we earn approximately 6,500 per month and 75,000 per year. And I guess this is an ample amount of money which we can definitely have for ourselves, with which we can fulfill at least a small dream of ours. So by inviting people, I mean you can share, attend and invite with this catalog which we have. As I told you that every month company comes out with this catalog with new marketing schemes, with all the new offers and beautiful products that we have. So we have a beautiful tool, a success plan, which is the unique and the best success plan in the market, wherein we give you so much money, so much ample opportunities with which you can fulfill all your dreams. Again and again, I am focusing and telling that you can fulfill all your dreams with Oriflame. So in success plan, we give you an opportunity wherein you can take 50,000 to cash award, to 5 crores of cash award. You can have 5 luxury cars for you. You can travel foreign, worldwide and national trips with Oriflame. You can earn approximately 10 to 10 lakh per month. So this is what Oriflame offers when we say that we give lot many money to our consultants. And again, we are there to support you, company is there to support you, because we have our online tools, we have our training programs wherein you get ample opportunities to get trained and know and get a perfect knowledge of the products. So when we join Oriflame, most of our consultants have this fear that how am I going to do the business? How am I going to do the business? I've never done anything like this before. But then you need not worry, because company is there to support you. I am there to support you. We have all the training tools and materials which are there to support you on the field. So you are at the right place. You get everything to know about the products, the trainings, the tools and how you can grow in the business. So as I told you, we don't only talk, action speaks. So you can see here I have been featured in the Oriflame newsletter. Also there are so many live examples who have completed many more years with Oriflame and achieved so much success with the company. So this is what Oriflame is waiting for you all, wherein you can join and fulfill all your dreams. As I said, Oriflame transforms your life in 3 beautiful ways, that is look great, make money and have fun. Have fun is the most important and integral part. I'm sure we all always want to have fun and a lot of entertainment. So you're at the right place, because Oriflame gives you so many opportunities wherein you can make so many good friends, like the way I did today. I made so many good friends, new faces. So like this only, you'll get so many platforms wherein you can meet new faces, make new friends. Also, if you want and you have the interest to travel worldwide, you have interest to attend trainings, or you have interest to get recognized, then you are at the right place and you are at the right time, because here in Oriflame you get wonderful recognitions, you get wonderful trainings, you have this opportunity wherein you can travel worldwide with your friends, with your family. So this is what we offer when I say that you can have so much fun with the company. So this is the time wherein you need to decide for yourself, wherein you need to fulfill your own dreams, because attitude is what changes life. Attitude is what makes the difference, and few years from now you'll be really thankful to this time wherein you joined the company and you have started. You are a step ahead to fulfill all your dreams and get success in your career. So all the very best, and looking forward to work with you all people. So the one who will be joining here today can sit with me for 20 minutes and I'll be doing their getting started. So thank you so much and all the very best, and make a right choice and make a right decision.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank
much.
you.